Right, so this is a folding shovel. I can't even pronounce that. Iunio? I'm not sure. Now I'm gonna try. I was looking at quite a few of these. I'm looking one that would fit my backpack. That's the reason why I bought this. And there's quite a few different brands. This happens to be a 31 inch. We're gonna unbox it. I'm not getting paid for this. I didn't get this tool free. I actually bought it off Amazon. All right, you got the instructions. Comes in a little carrying case. Part of the handle. Another handle piece. Third handle piece. And this is the shovel itself. Now this looks like it has two options to it, which is a pick as well. You can operate it like a regular shovel. You can put it up like this and turn this up and lock that in. So you can use it for a pick. Alright. Okay, this is the 3-part handle. Now each of these have a tool built into them. Okay, that looks like a whistle. Yep, emergency whistle. And this part here is a saw. So I actually turn that around, screw it in, use it for a saw. And then this is the end. This part unscrews. Looks like a ferro rod possibly for lighting fires. And you can stick stuff in there as well, matches or whatever you want in there. All right, let's put these together. This will fit nice in my backpack. And I'm camping or hiking is the main reason why I got it. Of course, this time of year won't be doing that. Not too cold. I'm not a winter camper. Some people are though. Some people like it. I do not. Too cold. Right, this is the last piece. There we go. That is a 31 inch portable shovel. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.